Alright, I got this Rheem condenser going in. I've got the line sets in. It's going to sit by the window here. This is the only place it can go on the property. Oh well, we have a window, but what are you going to do? So I'm going to put the line cover on and slide the condenser in, and we'll be all set. Here's the condenser we're installing. Is RANLO43JAZ 230 volt single phase. I about wrapped up the green machine here. We're getting it charged. Everything is looking good. It's the old new stock, but we're looking at it's 80 degrees out, 316 on the head, low side's 102, 15.3 degrees superheat, 10 degrees subcooling. I'm going to leave it right here. It's looking pretty good. I'm liking it. The house is nice and full. It's probably been running about 45 minutes to an hour. Looking good. Pressures are looking good. It's just a down and dirty condenser change out. This is the only place it was going to go, below the window, but what are you going to do? That's it. Nice and cool inside the house. It's all done, ready for summer. Ready for summer action. Nice and quiet.